Have you ever watched a football game, seen an incredible run, and wondered how it gets credited in the statistics? It can seem a little tricky sometimes to distinguish between all the different types of yardage. Rushing yards are gained by a player who runs with the football after taking possession directly from the line of scrimmage, typically from a handoff, while receiving yards are gained by a player who catches a forward pass thrown by a teammate. The key difference lies in how the player initially gets the ball on a given play. This distinction is fundamental to football's statistical record keeping, clearly separating plays where a player actively advances the ball via ground from those where they gain control through the air. A rushing play begins when the ball is handed off or carried by a player from behind the line of scrimmage, usually a running back or sometimes a quarterback on a scramble or designed run. Receiving yards, on the other hand, begin accumulating the moment a forward pass is legally completed to a receiver beyond the line of scrimmage, with the yardage measured from the original line of scrimmage to the point where the player is tackled or goes out of bounds. This separate tracking helps define player roles and assess individual performance in distinct offensive contributions. To easily identify the difference during a game, simply watch how the ball is delivered. If the quarterback hands the ball directly to another player or runs with it himself after taking the snap, those will be rushing yards. If the quarterback throws the ball forward to a teammate who then catches it, the yards gained after that catch are receiving yards. This simple observation will instantly clarify which type of yardage is being recorded. It is fascinating to note that while a quarterback can certainly accumulate rushing yards, perhaps on a scramble or a planned quarterback sneak, they cannot earn receiving yards because they are the one throwing the forward pass. Conversely, a wide receiver or a tight end primarily gains receiving yards, but they can also gain rushing yards on specific plays like an end around or a jet sweep, where the ball is handed to them directly. This highlights the versatility of players and the precise definitions within football statistics. By understanding these clear distinctions between rushing and receiving yards, you can better appreciate individual player contributions to the team's offense, accurately interpret game statistics, and gain a deeper insight into the strategic flow of a football game. This clarity helps you follow the action more closely and understand why specific players are credited in certain ways.